Now, dear students, let's understand how we prepare the common size income statement. In our previous videos, we had learned how to prepare the comparative financial statements with reference to comparative balance sheet and comparative income statement or profit and loss account. We had also learned how to prepare the common size balance sheet. Now we will learn how to prepare the common size income statement. The basic method and formula will remain same, that we have to take some common base equivalent to 100 and all rest of the constituents, they will be converted as a part of 100, that is in terms of percentage. Now with reference to the income statement, when we prepare the common size income statement, generally the revenue from operations or sales or net amount of the sales will be taken as base 100 and all rest of the items will be converted as a part of percentage through 100. So let's understand this particular example. The information states that prepare comparative and common size income statement with the help of the following information. I hope you already know how to prepare the comparative income statement. Here we will learn how to prepare the comparative common size income statement. See here, very important thing, as earlier I also shared with you, that whether the years are given in the order, and order should be base year and current year. See here, the base year is given later and current year is given first. So what we have to do, first of all, we put them or rearrange them in the terms that base year and current year. So base year 2011 figures will be taken first, followed by the current year 2012 figures. Now see, the information is given. Revenue from operations for 2011 2 lakh, for 2012 3 lakh. Cost of material of revenue 60%, 70%. Employee benefit expenses of revenue 30%, 20%. Income tax rate of profit before tax 50%, 50% same for both years. So what we have to do, we have to see that these other important terms, they are given in terms of percentage. So first of all, we convert these percentage into amount so that we can very easily prepare the common size statement. Now how it will be prepared? See here how the information to be converted. See here, first of all, revenue from operation. We have taken the year in the systematic order, base year, current year. Revenue from operation is given 2 lakh and 3 lakh. Then see the cost of material. How the cost of material is given? That is 60% and 70%. 60% of what? Of the revenue from operation, that is of 2 lakh. Again 70% of what? That is revenue from operations, that is 3 lakh. Now see here, we will calculate 60% of 2 lakh, it amounts to 1,20,000. 70% of 3 lakh, it amounts to 2,10,000. Now this is the cost of material or cost of goods sold. When we deduct cost of material from revenue from operations, the result will be the gross profit. 2 lakh minus 120, gross profit 80,000. 3 lakh minus 2,10,000, gross profit is 90,000. Now let's come to the next item, that is the items of the profit and loss account. Now the next item is given, employee benefit expenses of revenue. In the year 2011 they were 30%. In the year 2012 they are 20% of what? Of revenue, and revenue here is 3 lakh and 2 lakh. How it will be calculated here? Again see, employee benefit expenses of the revenue, it is 30%. We have taken 2 lakh, 30% amounts to 60,000. In the year 2012 it is 20% of revenue, that is 3 lakh into 20 by 100, that is 60,000. When we deduct from gross profit the employee benefit expenses, the result will be the net profit before tax, that is 80,000 minus 60,000, 20,000. 90,000 minus 60,000, 30,000. Then we have also to make the provision for tax. The tax rate is given, that is 50%, 50% for both the year, and it is of what? It is of the net profit before tax. For the year 2011 it is 20,000. 50% amounts of 10,000, 50% of 30,000, 15,000, then we will deduct this amount of tax. Next item left out, net profit after tax, that is 20,000 minus 10,000, 10,000, 30,000 minus 15,000, balance 15,000. So first of all, we have to convert these percentage in terms of the amount and accordingly to the year, that is base year and current year. Now once we convert these amounts, it becomes very easy to prepare the common size statement. While preparing the common size income statement, we have to take revenue from operations or sales or the net amount of the sales base as 100 as it has taken in this question. So for 2011, 2 lakh will be assumed as equal to 100. Likewise, we will convert the individual item figure in terms of the percentage. You would find over there that 1,20,000 is equivalent to 60%. How? We take the same unitary method. 2 lakh is equal to 100. 1 rupee is equal to 100 by 2 lakh and 1,20,000. 100 by 2 lakh multiplied by 1,20,000. Likewise here for gross profit, very simply 100 divided by 2 lakh multiplied by 80,000, it amounts to 40%. Then 100 divided by 2 lakh multiplied by 60,000, 30%. 100 divided by 2 lakh multiplied by 20,000, 10%. Likewise for 10,000 and 10,000, 5%, 5%. For the year 2012, 3 lakh will be assumed equivalent to 100. As I share with you that revenue from operations will be undertaken equivalent to 100, that is 3 lakh is equal to 100. Now the individual figures, 3 sevens are 21, you automatically come across that cost of material amounts to 70%. Formula will remain same, that is 3 lakh is equal to 100. 1 rupee is equal to 100 divided by 3 lakh and 2 lakh 10,000, that is 100 divided by 3 lakh into 2 lakh 10,000, it amounts to 70%. Likewise here 100 divided by 3 lakh into 90,000, 30%. So this way for individual all items we will convert them in terms of the percentage with a base that revenue from operation is taken as 100. I hope now you are well versed and very clearly understood how to prepare the common size income statement. So dear students, we had learned in this important topic how to prepare the comparative financial statements, and we had learned how to prepare the comparative balance sheet or position statement, how to prepare the comparative profit and loss or the income statement, and also how to prepare the common size balance sheet and common size income statement. It is very easy to prepare both the type of the statement, and CBSE may ask any of them. The limit of the marks will be 3 or 4 marks, and it is very easy to understand the whole concept in a very easy and a simple form as I share with you. I will also request you kindly practice all the illustration which come in any of the earlier board examination, and also practice all the questions which are given in the exercise relating to the preparation of both the type of the statements, that is comparative statements as well as the common size statement. I will continue in our next classes relating to only one topic is left out, that is relating to the financial statements of the company. That is also very easy. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.